Hi there, my name is Eric Bjork and I'm an Applications Engineer with Gates. In this video, I will give an overview of our belt drive design software called DesignFlex Pro. DesignFlex Pro is a free program available to download at www.gates.com. DesignFlex Pro is a two-point drive design program, meaning it only works for a drive containing two shafts. If you need to design a drive containing three or more shafts, you can use our other design program called Design IQ, which is also available to download at Gates.com. DesignFlex Pro only uses products available in the Gates Industrial Power Transmission Systems catalog. If you're not familiar with Gates power transmission product lines, then I urge you to research them before using the program. The catalog is available to download at gates.com/catalogs. When first opening the program, you will need to fill out your user information. This is information that will show up in the final drive report, so make sure you only provide what you want showing up on the actual report. After entering your user information, you will see this screen. This is going to be the main screen for DesignFlex Pro. Up on the top left is our desired belt line. This is where we choose whether we want to design with a synchronous belt, a V-belt, we want to calculate tension, or we want to replace a roller chain drive. We can expand these further to choose specific product lines to design with. Below the desired belt line is going to be our input power section, where we put in either our motor power or the power we want our belt drive to transmit. We have options to choose between an electric motor, a three-phase motor, and if you're using a VFD or soft start. We can change